Hey, here it's Rosie at Rosie's Garage. I got some new toys from Thrashin today. I'm kind of excited. I ordered these a few weeks ago. I did choose the economy shipping and, well, I guess you kind of get what you pay for, but I was in no big hurry for these parts. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be replacing, cool stickers. I'm not going to be replacing the stickers. Replacing this brake pedal right here with this guy, which this is going to be a pretty simple install. I'm not going to show you how to do it. I mean, it's 1 bolt, so I'll get that handled, put that on, show you how that looks. Also, I did do these boards, and I told you one of the things that was cool and kind of it also started to concern me is that I feel like they're a little bit too low because they are a little bit bigger, and I have been kind of concerned about going too hard around the corners, not because I'm afraid of scraping boards, but I don't want to scrape these boards because they're so pretty. So I bought the half-inch spacers from Thrashin, and basically they're just going to go in there on top of those guys right there, give me an extra ½ inch of clearance. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And I'll put those on. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Thanks for watching. Just a quick thing here. Anytime I'm putting on fasteners of any type, especially something like foot controls where things can move around, I always get a big thing of Loctite, the blue Loctite, and I just put a dab on each one. It's kind of hard to do lefty, but you get the idea. It's just basically, I take these and let me switch hands. Not a lefty. I can't do this without shaking one hand or the other. But anyway, you get the idea. Just put a dab on each one of them. Keeps them from coming loose. Last thing you want to do is have a floorboard fall off while you're riding. Looks so much better. I got the right side done. Got the brake pedal on. It looks great. It's going to make me feel a little bit better about going around corners and not scraping my boards. One of the things I did notice is if you notice, there are 2 different types of spacers that come with it. This one goes in the back. This one goes in the front. From what I can tell, there's no instructions. But there's a cutout underneath the board where this slides into. There's not a cutout. I'm pointing and I'm not moving the camera. There's not a cutout on the back side here underneath. But on this one there is. So I put this one in the front and this one back. They get stacked like that. They come with the longer bolts as I just showed you, putting the Loctite on. And I'm about to do the left side. Took me about 10 minutes to do the board and this and putting the Loctite on there. Be back in a second. So something interesting before I put this board on, you can see how big of a space there is here between us. I did not readjust it because I knew I was going to put these spacers on, and I just seemed like, why do it twice? I'm about to put it on, and I'll show you the difference. So right now you have that much room between. So now I got the new board on the left side. Looks great. Looks basically the same. Looks a little taller. I like that. You can see the gap is now down to, I don't know, ½ inch or so there, which is exactly where I like it. That's the fist measurement. Anyway, I'm gonna go take it for a ride. I'm assuming everything's gonna be perfect, and I'll finish up then. Thanks. All right, made it back. Floorboards were great. I like the position a lot better, actually. That ½ inch up made a big difference. Ask your ladies. Anyway, that's it. I think that more completes the look. Coming up soon, I haven't done the Moon's MC headlights yet, and markers, those are coming soon. They're still sitting there on my bench because my buddy said he wanted to help me because he wanted to do it, and I haven't gotten around to calling him yet. So anyway, thanks for watching Rosie's Garage. Appreciate it. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up. Look forward to getting you guys the next one. Peace.